sorrow, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you want to know more details about today's install, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is SunberHair. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Today I have installed a 26-inch 13x4 HD curly wig. This is in the water wave texture, and I believe this is their luxury density. She's definitely giving luxury.
Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
Wow, this wig is so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is pluck the hairline a bit off camera and then I'm gonna install it. So I just wanted to show you guys it without it being plucked. That's the hairline, and I'm gonna pluck it and then come back. Okay guys, so this is the hairline after being plucked a bit. I did do it really quickly, so we'll see what happens, but that's pretty much what it looks like now.
Can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. You always make me feel like, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind.
So this wig has a beautiful middle part, so I'm gonna leave that middle part unless I overplucked and did a disastrous thing.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe you're brave.
For the baby hairs, I'm going to use a mixture of the holding mousse and also holding gel. Is it holding mousse or styling mousse?
But you won't let me. Something in my brain.
Ow.
Hanging by myself, asking for help.
You like that?
To work on you, yeah.
I don't know. We will have to revisit that.
Feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just, yeah, you always make me feel like, yeah.
Okay, so once we're happy with that, then we use the hardcore stuff that's like cement to secure her. The lace is actually looking really good. There's only one spot that I can see that's looking a little light. So I'm gonna try my foundation that I use for my wig. Perfect. Yep, that did the trick.
There's a sparkle in your eyes.
define my part, and I like to define my part, you guys know, with my favorite palette. So we're gonna define that part.
With you always, 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my.
So if you are at home, you guys, and you're doing your own wigs and you're not that comfortable with doing your own wigs, it's little things like that that makes a huge difference. It's little things like that that will actually make your install look like you got it done at a salon. So don't skip that step. It's really important because it will finish off the look. Last thing I like to do is go in with some spray. And now we're gonna wet her down. So this is what she looks like, naturally kind of combed out. It's mainly this side, the top, that needs to be defined. The back is already pretty much defined, so maybe I'll just define the parts that I disturbed and leave the rest alone.
Never to part.
I'm gonna use my Jamaican black castor oil.
'Cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every place. Oh, it's the things that you do. It's the things you do, baby. It's the smile on your face. Smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. In a better place. It's the things that you do. The things that you do. It's the smile on your face. The smile on your face. And as time goes by, I know I'm in a better place. A better place. In a better place.
This unit is so beautiful. It is really soft. The curls feel really nice, like just so smooth and silky. Sometimes when you get a highlight wig, the curls are a bit dry because it's been processed, but this is definitely some of the softest curly hair. And where I condition and stuff, it is even softer, you guys. So pretty. What can I say about this wig? Like, what more can I say? This is what she's looking like up close, you guys. Wow, I am blown away. If you want to wear her up, you could definitely do that, and she would look so cute. Like, should we do that? Should we do that now? Look at that, you guys. Wow, so cute. I love this unit. You could do a lot of styles with this unit. I would say if you're thinking about getting this wig, definitely go ahead and get the 26" because look how flattering it is on me. And it is definitely a lot longer too, you guys. So pretty. Like this curl pattern, the highlights, everything, just absolutely stunning. I actually really love it, and I love the color. When you get a wig like this out of the package, sometimes you look at it and you're like intimidated by the color. Promise you, once you put it on, if you have, you know, chocolate brown skin, oh my god, is it ever gorgeous. Like, wow, I am blown away, you guys. This is definitely a Kaviar Kez approved wig. It's perfect. I wouldn't change a thing about it. The density, the softness, the color, oh, I just love it so much. It definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me. So this is my first collaboration with SunberHair, and so far I am blown away. Let's keep it coming. I want to see more. I want to try some more wigs because they have the density, the quality, and the affordability. This wig is actually a very affordable price. I suggest you guys check it out in the description box. I'm going to leave all the information there if you want to find this wig. Check them out because they make really good wigs, you guys. I love it so much. I am definitely going to be wearing this for the summer. going on a little trip, so I'm gonna be wearing this wig out there. Go get one for you, your mama, and your best friend too. I gotta run, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. It also helps me continue to bring these videos to you guys, and obviously, you know, have wigs in my online shop. So don't forget to leave a thumbs up before you go, and leave a comment about your thoughts on this install, this review. What do you think? How did I do? Let me know in the comment section. You guys know I love chatting with you guys. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye for now.